The AI video generator revolution is upon us, and every movie will be AI made, and the machine god will have his satisfaction. Alright, calm down. Let's be honest, AI has reached quite an interesting point, but is it replacing videographers and filmmakers? I don't think so, but maybe I'm wrong. Let's see what you can do with Runway AI. So, what actually makes Runway AI so special? Simple. It offers advanced editing tools and runs in your browser with no installation required. Any video editor would tell you that having motion tracking, background removal, and color grading without using your computer's resources is extremely convenient. It basically removes the need for a powerful editing computer entirely. Well, sure, it might not be as consistent yet, but you're also not spending $4,000. So when our in-house Cybernews editor brought this tool up, well, I had to tell you guys about it. What if you don't have any experience with video editing? Well, that's not a problem here, since the user interface is very simple and slick. You get a short description of what each tool is used for, and there's a large selection of tutorials below, which is even better. There are also presets for your projects, and inspirations, or the ability to take someone else's already created content and remix it with your own. Honestly, if you have even a tiny bit of experience with web-based editing apps, then Runway will fit like a glove. But maybe I should start with what Runway AI uses to sell itself, an AI video generator. It now uses the Runway Gen 3 model, and the most significant difference from other generative AI models like Stable Diffusion and tools like Midjourney is that you no longer need to add specific keywords like 4K or portrait or close-up, etc. It sort of gets everything from your regular prompt. However, if the old approach was better for you, you can still use keywords by going to custom presets. So let's add just text first and make it a taxi in rainy New York City. The results are kind of okay looking. Next, let's try adding a reference image to it, so it would hopefully give me something better. And yeah, it's quite the nudge in the right direction towards what I wanted, but man, it still looks just so fake. But to be fair, if you mess around with a few settings and presets, you could come up with something more real. And the Runway Gen 3 model definitely looks real until you take a closer look. By now, you probably know the signs of AI generation. Things meshing into each other, broken anatomies, and lots of weird shifts. The biggest problem is that AI video doesn't obey the laws of physics, or common sense for that matter. Everything moves or reacts in a very uncanny way. The generation is quite fast, but I personally wouldn't use these videos for any serious project. I mean, Sora AI video generator does look a bit better, but it's not out yet, which means I can officially crown Runway as sort of the best AI video generator on account of lack of real competition. Overall, Runway's created videos are fun to mess around with, so I advise you to give it a shot yourself. A side note, you can actually take a photo and sort of animate it if you're lacking content for a video or a website. Just take any image, upload it, and click generate without any prompt. That's it. Runway does everything for you, and the results are actually pretty nice. The animation is smooth and subtle. But hey, have you heard of Grok? No, it's not a comic book about a caveman. It's X's new generative AI that had no brakes on it at all. With no copyright or abuse restrictions, people could just create insane things like this. Oh hey, another side note, never Google X videos if you want to find Twitter videos. That'll take you somewhere else. Well, my bleeding eyes are happy to inform you that Runway AI does have restrictions. And after what I saw, I'd call these rules sane rules. Runway AI doesn't let you generate celebrities, politicians, or age-restricted content. In fact, it's so restrictive that it didn't allow me to create a breakdancing dog competing in the Olympic Games. Maybe because I tried to make it an Aussie? What about transforming already existing content, like turning this bird recording into claymation? Okay, yeah, that's a bit of nightmare fuel. It's currently able to create up to 10 seconds of video, so not very optimal for work, but they do have a lot of settings to mess with. I like that it also features a text prompt, so you can tailor the style even more or create your own with assets, something similar to a mood board. I also have to give Runway a point for allowing a free preview of whatever style you selected. This way, you don't have to spend all of your credits just to find the vibe you're going with. So, lots of controls and settings to mess around with, but it's still not there yet. Moving on, with Runway, it's not just about visuals. You can also generate audio here, and even develop custom voices, though you have to have a pro plan to do it. As for regular generations, there's a nice selection of voices, but nothing too crazy.
Hey there, Maggie here. I appreciate you coming all this way to see me.
Okay, I'm ready to head off on an amazing adventure.
I really like that they have more richness to the voices and sound more energetic, but they still can't shake that AI sound. It's still there. Overall, the quality's good, and when comparing the same text from 11 Labs, I do think Runway AI voices sound slightly better.
Hello, I'm the best generated voiceover ever.
Hello, I'm the best generated voiceover ever.
Don't get me wrong, both of these tools could easily fool a less tech-savvy or older person. The audio is already at this level, but if you want more natural-sounding audio for your videos or projects, I would say 11 Labs fits better. I still think Runway AI has richer voices, but that can make them sound a bit over the top once you combine them with other media. Next up, the most common AI tool, is text-to-image. We all had our fun playing with DALL-E or Midjourney when it came out and it was all the rage, but is Runway AI's generation better? Yes or no? I focused on cinematic or realistic modes for this, and while Runway definitely has a more real-looking, less AI tone and overall style, it also fails to depict what I want accurately. Well, most of the time. I think there's a problem with some words being keywords and others getting lost in the noise. Compared to DALL-E, the image looks, well, like the AI you're already used to, but it actually depicted my prompt entirely, not just the start of it. Midjourney also did a better job of reading my prompt, but of the three choices we've mentioned, I think Runway's images do look most non-AI. So, as of now, if you're willing to get the hang of how the prompts work here, Runway's text-to-image generator will be a great tool in your editing arsenal. Hey, if you're enjoying this type of content, why not like and subscribe? It motivates us to do more cool research just like this. Now, our biggest discovery, as I mentioned, was editing tools like the background remover. It works fast, smoothly, and sometimes even better than alternatives like After Effects. And since our editor finds it useful, I'll let him speak for himself.
Hi, this is Editor, and let me tell you more about Runway AI and why I really like it. Sometimes when my workstation isn't available, I use Runway because it runs smoothly even on simple laptop, so you have it basically on the go. Its speed, ease of use, and ability to manage tasks like background removal, editing, and exporting footage in 4K ProRes make it practical choice in resource-limited situations. And as Josh mentioned before, it's a versatile tool that's not only great for AI work, but also for basic animations and general editing tasks. Even if you're a professional editor or a beginner or just a curious person, I really recommend you trying this tool. Maybe you will like it. Have fun. Bye.
The next feature is adding color to black and white images. You've probably seen ads or videos about online tools like this. Some of them work okay, but others are more of a joke, so I decided to test out Runway with some older iconic photos. And the results are kinda nice. Not oversaturating the photo and making it feel like it was taken in color. There's enough blur as well as desaturation, and the dynamic range is compressed enough to look like it's from that era. Now let's do a photo from the 80s. In this case, there are some weaker spots, but overall it matches the tone and style of those times pretty well. So yeah, this is a highly recommended feature. How much would it cost you to use these AI tools for your daily work? Well, Runway is sort of a free AI video generator with its entry-level limited free plan that includes some credits. And to be fair, 5 GB of storage from a free option is nice. But to actually use Runway AI, you should go with the standard plan, which removes most limitations and watermarks and also allows you to create longer content. Coming in under $15 a month, even when compared to some other AI industry leaders, it's fair pricing. And personally, I think Runway AI has more to offer for a similar price, but that's just me. Now, if you haven't used credits before, getting a plan doesn't mean unlimited generations. The plan resets each month to a set amount. And then if you want more, you have to add extra credits at an additional price. Also, keep this in mind, these prices are per user, meaning that if you want to collaborate on a project, each user needs their own subscription. This can lead to high costs or simply wasted time. It would be great if the plan included at least one other collaborator, and maybe they'll go there in the future. But for now, it's really hard to gauge the prices in a market that's just so fresh out the oven. Oh, another thing. Remember at the beginning I mentioned filmmakers? Well, Runway AI is hosting probably the very first AI film festival. So cool. However, for me, a film sort of means consistent style, tone, whatever you want to call it. And consistency with Runway is kind of impossible, at least for the moment. And all of it feels just off. In my opinion, generative AI is still a gimmick. I've watched some films submitted, and oh boy, maybe they should stick with helping actual creators with good tools like a background remover. And also, what are we even celebrating? The magic of filmmaking or random content generation? But that's just my opinion. You can go check out the festival contestants through the link below and decide for yourself. Runway AI does have more tools to offer, but to be honest, we didn't find them useful or interesting, and I'm missing any type of AI video enhancer or a similar tool. You're of course welcome to experiment because this AI video generator free version is available to anyone, no credit card required. And if you've already decided to run away with Runway for your creative endeavors, then why not use our link and grab it with a 30-day money-back guarantee. To quickly summarize my thoughts on Runway AI, it's a truly interesting tool that works amazingly to support video editors or just creatives in general. While the video generating capabilities are still in their early stages, I recommend you give Runway AI a chance with its free plan or jump directly to the premium with the link below. Thanks for watching my short Runway AI tutorial and overview. I hope that a crash course in how to create AI video helped you out. If you still have questions about an AI video creator or the Runway AI video tool in particular, leave a comment below. Our team will try to answer as many as we can. Anyway, I'm just rambling now. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.